September has arrived, and with it, a powerful sense of renewal. I feel deep gratitude for this month, a time to grow, flourish, and embrace new opportunities. Every breath I take fills me with energy, and I'm thankful for the vitality that pulses through my body. The healing forces within me are strong, supporting my well-being each and every day. I welcome the financial blessings heading my way this month. I recognize the steady stream of abundance flowing into my life, and I'm open to receiving prosperity in all its forms. There is joy in the simplicity of my mornings, and laughter brightens my days, making every moment richer. Peace is my constant companion. I feel fulfillment in the present and appreciation for the vibrant summer memories I have created. As the seasons shift, I look forward to the cozy embrace of autumn, the beauty of change, and the promise of new growth. Positive energy surrounds me, and I consciously nurture optimism in every choice I make. Each small moment holds meaning, whether it's a smile shared, a word of kindness, or a gentle connection. Love flows into my life effortlessly, deepening my relationships and nourishing my spirit. I am mindful of the compassion I both give and receive. Simply being alive fills me with gratitude. Right now, in this very moment, I appreciate where I am on my journey. My past experiences have shaped me, and the lessons I've learned continue to guide me forward. This September, I celebrate the progress I have made. My hard work is bearing fruit, and I'm seeing tangible results. Healing, whether physical, mental, or spiritual, is happening steadily, and I embrace it with an open heart. I am present. I cherish the here and now, the incredible people in my life, and the wealth of experiences that make my journey unique. My life overflows with riches, not just in money, but in health, friendships, fulfillment, and joy. My gratitude extends to my family, friends, neighbors, co-workers, and every soul I encounter. I appreciate the love, support, and inspiration they provide. My environment, my home, and my community are sources of comfort and connection. Nature reminds me of the wonder around me, the gentle rain, warm sunlight, the shade of trees, and the vast universe that holds us. I am thankful for the elements that sustain life: earth, wind, fire, and water. Every creative spark, every piece of art, every melody and book enrich my existence. Even silence holds meaning. It offers peace and clarity when I need it most. My body is my temple, resilient and strong. I honor its wisdom, its capacity for movement, strength, and rest. Abundance flows into every area of my life, unexpectedly and as anticipated. Opportunities, ideas, and prosperity arrive in perfect timing. This September, I attract success, joy, and love. I am aligned with positivity and purpose. Miracles unfold daily, and synchronicities guide me toward my dreams. I am deeply connected to the universe's generous flow. I trust that every door opens when I step toward it. I know that this month brings a new car, a new home, a fulfilling job, and financial breakthroughs. With every thought of gratitude, I amplify my abundance. I radiate joy, optimism, and peace. My mindset is my power, focused, positive, and solution-oriented. This September, I claim abundance, health, happiness, and growth as my reality. I am inspired. I am aligned. I am thriving. Thank you for being part of this journey. May we all continue to embrace gratitude and manifest our highest potential today and every day. I am grateful for my feminine strength that guides me every day. I celebrate the beauty and wisdom that comes with being a woman. I nurture my body, mind, and spirit with love and care. I am grateful for the deep connections I have with other women who uplift and inspire me. I am thankful for the grace with which I navigate challenges. I radiate compassion, kindness, and wisdom to the world. I am open to receiving all the abundance life has to offer. Every day I grow stronger, wiser, and more radiant. I am deeply connected to my intuition and inner guidance. I am grateful for the nurturing relationships that support my journey. I trust the universe to provide me exactly what I need. I honor the cycles of nature and the cycles within myself. I am thankful for my ability to balance strength and gentleness. I am grateful for the beauty of self-expression and creativity. My life is filled with abundance, love, and opportunity. I am grateful for the healing power of self-love. I am thankful for the strength I draw from within during difficult times. I attract positive, uplifting energy into my life every single day. I embrace change and welcome transformation with open arms. I am grateful for the peace and clarity I cultivate within myself. I am aligned with my purpose and passion. I trust myself to make empowered choices that serve my highest good. I am grateful for the joy that comes from embracing the present moment. I am thankful for my ability to rise above challenges and thrive. I appreciate the divine energy that flows through me and all around me. I am a magnet for love, success, and abundance. I celebrate the beautiful woman I am becoming every day. I am grateful for the infinite possibilities that lie ahead. I am thankful for the gentle strength that guides me through life's twists and turns. I am grateful for my ability to see beauty in every situation. I embrace every experience as a step toward my growth. I am grateful for the clarity that comes from quiet reflection. I am thankful for the confidence that radiates from within me. I am grateful for the kindness I receive and share. I am thankful for the abundance of creativity flowing through me. I am open to new adventures and exciting opportunities. I am grateful for my resilience and adaptability. I trust that everything is unfolding in perfect divine timing. I am thankful for the joy that arises from simple pleasures. I am grateful for the lessons life teaches me every day. I am thankful for the peace that comes from accepting what I cannot change. I am grateful for the abundance that surrounds me in every form. I am thankful for my unwavering faith in the universe's support. I appreciate every moment of beauty I encounter in the world. I am grateful for the love and care I offer myself daily. I am thankful for the balance I maintain between action and rest. I am grateful for the wisdom gained from every challenge. I am thankful for the hope that keeps me moving forward. I am grateful for the endless possibilities that each day brings. I am thankful for the inspiration I receive from the people around me. I am grateful for my ability to manifest dreams into reality. I am thankful for the infinite love that flows through and around me. I am deeply grateful for this beautiful life I am creating every day. I am grateful for every sunrise that brings new hope and possibilities. I am thankful for the gentle whispers of intuition that guide me daily. I appreciate the abundance of love that fills my heart and life. I am grateful for the lessons that help me grow into my best self. I am thankful for the clarity and focus that guide my action. I embrace my unique gifts and talents with pride. I am grateful for the peace that arises when I let go of what no longer serves me. I am thankful for every moment of laughter and joy shared with others. I am grateful for the unwavering support of my family and close friends. I am thankful for the serenity I find in nature's gentle embrace. I am grateful for my ability to stay grounded amidst life's uncertainties. I am thankful for the opportunities that challenge me to grow. I appreciate the small victories that build my confidence and joy. I am grateful for the moments of stillness that recharge my spirit. I am thankful for the courage to step into new experiences. I am grateful for the infinite abundance the universe provides. I am thankful for the freedom to express myself authentically. I am grateful for the balance I maintain between giving and receiving. I am thankful for the clarity that comes from trusting my journey. I am grateful for the endless love that flows through my life. I am thankful for the resilience that empowers me to keep going. I am grateful for the grace I embody in every moment. I appreciate the blessings that unfold when I stay open to life's possibilities. I am thankful for the deep sense of purpose guiding me. I am grateful for the joy of sharing love, kindness, and positivity. I am thankful for the infinite potential I carry within me. I am grateful for the simple blessings that make life beautiful. I am thankful for the continuous flow of inspiration in my life. I am grateful for the abundant health that energizes my body and mind. I am thankful for the sacred space of my heart where love and peace reside. I am grateful for every beautiful soul that touches my life. I am thankful for my ability to manifest my dreams into reality. I am grateful for every moment I take to pause, reflect, and appreciate life. I am thankful for my unwavering belief in my potential. I am grateful for the light that shines from within me. I am thankful for the wisdom gained from every step of my journey. I am grateful for the harmony I create in my life. I am thankful for my growth, my courage, and my resilience. I am grateful for the abundant love that flows to me effortlessly. I am thankful for this beautiful life and the endless opportunities it holds. I am grateful for the kindness I give to myself and others. I am thankful for my ability to remain calm in the face of adversity. I appreciate the simple beauty in everyday moments. I am grateful for the sense of purpose that guides my actions. I am thankful for the joy I create and share every day. I am grateful for the infinite possibilities that lie before me. I am thankful for the lessons learned through challenges. I am grateful for the confidence that grows stronger every day. I appreciate the abundance of love, health, and happiness in my life. I am thankful for the gentle wisdom that flows from within me. I am grateful for my resilience that allows me to thrive in every situation. I am thankful for the support of the universe in my journey. I appreciate the magic and wonder in the world around me. I am grateful for the clarity that helps me make empowered decisions. I am thankful for the love that flows effortlessly into my life. I am grateful for the peace that arises when I choose to let go. I am thankful for my growth, progress, and personal evolution. I appreciate the abundance that surrounds me every day. I am grateful for the powerful energy I carry and radiate. I am thankful for the beauty of this moment, here and now.